Thanks be to our God, who always leads us in triumph in Christ. We are the fragrance of Christ, diffusing His knowledge in every place. We are the salt and the